Hey guys, this is SpongeBob, and I'm here with a rant. This rant is called Logan Bubbly Wheezer Rocks. Okay. He was sad that he couldn't join the live stream anymore, even though I unblocked him. And Hangout says that someone blocked him, even though I unblocked him. So he starts crying and gets mad at me and blames it on me. So he sends me a picture of, I don't know, I think it's like the boogeyman or something. But it was a very creepy picture. He posted a very creepy picture because he blamed me. That I was the one who blocked him, even though I unblocked him. Thanks a lot for giving me the chills. Jeez. Dickhead. Anyway, I'm going to create a new account called the awesome YouTuber FTW Logan Bubbly Wheezer Rocks FTL. Then FTW means for the win, and FTL means for the lose. Which means Logan Bubbly, you're on the FTL part. That's right. That means you're for the lose. And you suck. So I'm going to create a channel now, and link in the description below. Anyway, so I'll also give you 3 copyright strikes, Logan Bubbly, for sending that creepy picture. 3 copyright strikes, and you'll get terminated. So say bye-bye to your channel. And also, well, if you don't say sorry in the comments in this video, if you don't say sorry, Logan, then say goodbye to your account. It's gonna get deleted. So, if you don't want to get terminated, then I'll give you a task. You have to say sorry in the comments. Then you're going to remove me from the hangout where you show creepy picture. And then you're going to say sorry in the comments. And if you don't do all of those tasks, then I'll give you 3 copyright strikes and you'll get terminated.